This one stayed pumped up, and I never did put any air in that one. So
this thing is standard. She's a standard, man.
Standard chip.
I've had this car in behind here for a number of years. Never done anything with it. Today, Doug is the new owner.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Proud owner for Triumph TR7, which I know absolutely.
We're going to pull it out. Try not to smash it up too much. He said you have it ready for Christmas.
I will. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So I need ideas what I'm going to do with it. I need lots of ideas what I'm going to do. What do you think I should do with it, Joe, other than wreck it or jump it or made a roaster? I don't know. Put a big motor in it for one, right? Put a big motor in it. Let's see what it's made of before you can see what about putting a big motor in it. Might not be made anything. Yeah, I know. I love that idea too. Like a side-by-side frame or something would be cool, right? Then I'd end up taking it through the woods. But it's all good. It's in pretty good shape, believe it or not.
You guys will let out a noise if I get close to something, will you?
I'm not going to let you run over me.
Look in the backup camera.
I understand that, but I'm just asking. You'll make a noise if I come close to something, will you?
Yeah. Yes, Chad. He doesn't have much faith in us, I don't think, right there. It didn't sound like he did it. Keep her coming. Keep her coming. Come on. You got Fina to guide you. Come on, come on. Yeah, come on. No, he's a foot away from it, but he's going to have to come straight out here. All right, you're good. Would he hook that right in there, Joe? Like that?
Just don't cut it too hard, eh?
Just what?
Don't cut it to the right close over there.
Yeah. Well, if he can fix the car, he can fix the damage. Oh, he's getting in. There's been squirrels living in there and everything else. Probably he'll be a soggy bottom boy. He gets in that thing. Maybe you should get something and lay in there. Doug?
Yes, sir.
Doug, I got a thing in the back here.
You got a thing?
I got a thing. I know what that thing is. That thing is called a cushion.
A cushion?
Yeah, it's got a cushion. I got a cushion. For you to sit in the seat.
Oh, I didn't sit in the seat. I was just going to stand beside it.
Oh.
Just in case we got squished into the wall or something, that'd be good.
All right,
beauty,
that's good then. That's good then.
Okay, I can hook this right on here. You fine with that?
Sure you can. Yeah.
Awesome.
In my mirror, I did, yeah.
He's got his sunglasses on today and not his glasses, so I'm kind of wondering, right?
Oh, boys. I got my
You
camera
can half see everything. Look at her, she's beautiful.
Is he ready? Is he ready?
Could build a hard top for it. Huh, the wheels are turning? No. What? You gotta be kidding.
He'll let us squeal out of money.
Are those wheels turning too, Joe?
Yeah, they're all on.
What? You're kidding. Wow. I'm impressed already. It's getting tight, y'all. Ouch.
Can't really. He's not. He's not in between that thing, is he?
Something in his way? No, we're good. We're good to go.
All right.
It's a cute little car. I mean, it's pretty small.
A friend of ours, Jack, gave it to us, and I've never done anything with it ever. It's been sitting in there, filling up full of everything, and
looks fast. It's not even moving.
doesn't it?
Yeah.
Jolene's probably saying, "What did you just do?"
Why did you give away this cute little car? She says it would look so good on four-wheel drive gear.
Actually,
Rocking down through the woods. Sounds like good entertainment, but I don't know. It's in pretty good shape. I hate to wreck it.
it does.
Yeah.
I'm just not like I'm. Obviously, if there's repair that has to be done. Somehow, some reason, I like. What can I say? When the floors are already out of them and all the interiors out of them, then I don't have to do all that work. That thing has to be torn apart first. There's a bunch of work doing that, and then not knowing where you're going. If you want to, you know what I'm saying? It can. I just thought you would be a great guy to get dug into it there, Doug.
He's not into foreign cars anyways, is he, like this one? Like, you know, right? He's not a foreign car guy. See,
It kind of looks like
I
you're.
like that. I don't know. Everybody give me some ideas. What should I do with it? Really? What should I do with it?
Kind of looks like your RX, doesn't it? Sort of,
Yeah,
a little bit.
It's a little tiny two-seater sports car. It's the same idea.
A little mini me.
I've got a spare motor and transmission from one of those too. Probably work good with the V6 in it.
Gee.
It's an automatic, but I'm getting sick of shifting.
Oh,
Well, my knee is getting sick of shifting. I like shifting, but
what's going wrong with the wheels over here? I never noticed the wheels. Oh, it's good. That's a hubcap, is what that is. I thought they were wheels, but it's a hubcap.
that's awesome.
That's all Nathan needs is a good set of hubcaps. Put that back. We'll get the trailer. We got the trailer loaded for wood right now, and what's going on is the next day or so, we're going to load this thing on the trailer and take it to Doug's place. He's the happy new owner.
I'm
God
gonna
bless
tear
him.
the guts out of it.
Are you, Doug?
Probably.
All right. That's
I don't
awesome.
know. I have no idea. You want to pop the hood?
Go easy on it, Doug. Don't break the door handle.
Doesn't want to work. That doesn't want to work. That's something I gotta get open at home. Maybe it flips the other way. I don't know. It does too. No. Does it really? Huh. I don't know. I don't know a damn thing about this car. Other than Chad give it to me free. That's a good starting point with any build. Free car.
Doug, don't break that door handle.
I'm not your car anymore, Chad. Leave me alone.
That's true. That's true. I gotta put my toy back.
This is all kinds of things to figure out on this. That I can't. That's just seized up. Oh, well. It's got trees and everything in it. We'll be going up the road and it'll clean itself out as we go up the road with it. Everything will be flying off it, so that'll add excitement from the tow home. There's half of a animal, part of an animal. Yeah. I can't believe I'm gonna probably Google how to open the hood on this car. We have an owner's manual. That's better than having absolutely nothing. We do. Wouldn't I?
I wonder if you'll find any money in it.
If I do, I won't say a damn word. I just put it in my pocket. Now I'll tease him about it later. Sure.
That door handle's pulled off yet?
Even if I don't find any money in, I'm going to tell him I did.
Did you get the hood open, did you?
No, that just pulled all the way out. You want to stay? Does the hood flip up backwards on this, Chad, you think?
Props.
You have no idea either? Want to give her a yank? I'll pull on this thing. Yeah.
It does feel like it does.
Feels like it does, doesn't it?
Go. Oh, that's good. Well, he'll be able to go in and figure out how to get that out of there. When you start tearing the guts out of it, I suppose.
Chad says I got to put this wing here on it too, Joe. Check out this thing. I'll pull it out, stuff it on.
Having Liz give that to
You got to
me.
put that wing on that car. I'm like, well, make it go faster.
Looks good, don't it? Huh? Yeah.
No idea what it's off of. Somebody does.
I get looking at this car.
Look faster already, does it, Joe?
I would get rid of that rubber bumper, and I'd make my metal come out that far and make it out of metal. You know, like just that rubber bumper thing. Just something. Just looking at it. Just you know what I'm saying. You could weld metal right along here. Choom,
Good too.
choom. You know what I mean? You could really
Should look even faster.
Well,
than that, man, look better.
get rid just
than
rid of the
that.
plastic bumpers. That's all. Like they're big and kind of. I'm not sure. Kickable.
It's not on there by much, I don't think.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's alive.
it's alive. It's awesome. Thanks for the car, man.
Hey man, thanks for helping.
That's what I'm here for.